Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and Elfmas is winding down, but it would not be an Elfmas if I did not include one of my favorite brands in here, and that is Dossier Perfumes. And y'all, I'm so excited, and let me tell you why. So as you all know, I have been showcasing and talking about Dossier Perfumes for months now, but here's the thing, they keep improving and upgrading the site, and you all, they keep adding new fragrances. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. We're gonna talk about these new fragrances they have recently added on the website, and you all, dare I say, these might be some of my absolute favorites, if not my most favorite fragrances they've ever come out with. So yes, we're gonna be talking about these new releases from Dossier Perfumes. But before we do that today, elves, you know what time it is. Lipstick of the day, everyone. Get into it. Subtle Beat, Pop of Color. And the pop of color on the lips today is from MAC, of course, duh. And this is the Retro Matte color Dangerous. Get into that. So a very, very matte orangey color. Elves, let me know what you think in the comments below. Fragrance of the day, everyone. This is actually one of my older Dossier fragrances, but it's one of their best sellers. I know I personally keep wearing it. I love it. And this is none other than the Ambery Saffron fragrance. I am wearing it today. This one, if you're not aware, is inspired by MFK's Baccarat Rouge 540. And dare I say, yes, this is a very, very good inspiration of it. I enjoy it. I continue to wear it. Love it. Now, let's get into these new fragrances. I have 2 new boxes here. Yes, we got sent over 2 new boxes here. Excited about this. And yeah, we got some new juice in here. And I've had these for a little bit of time now, but as you know, I don't want to just unbox a scent and just be like, oh my God, I love it, I tried it, and that's it as soon as I'm smelling it for the first time. I like to spend a little bit of time with my fragrances, especially now since y'all know we're not new to Dossier here on this channel. But for those that might be new to Dossier, let me talk about it. Some of y'all might have seen them on social media, you might have seen a few ads or whatnot, but hey, let me talk about it and break it down for you. What's cool about them is they're all about having the smell, having the high quality luxury smell, but without overpaying for it. As y'all know, there's like a huge markup in the fragrance industry. Like, it's really, really bad, honestly. I've heard even it's up as high as up to like 800% actually. So yeah, Dossier doesn't believe in that. They're all about making fragrances accessible to all, and I totally agree with their stance on that. Another thing to point out, they are vegan, they are also eco-friendly, and they are also cruelty-free. Those that are concerned with those matters, they check off all those boxes. And then another good thing about Dossier too that I do like is their risk-free policy that they have. Risk-free meaning you have 30 days to decide if you like a fragrance. Sometimes the fragrances will contain a small sample in them, or if they don't, you can just open the full-size bottle that you see in here, spray it, wear it, and you have 30 days to make a decision. If you don't like it, just send back the box, send back the fragrance, of course, and yeah, you'll get a full refund. So therefore, you know, it takes the guesswork out of it, especially when we're talking about fragrance. Fragrance is so subjective, and really you need to spend some time with a fragrance to know if you really, really like it or not. Very rarely are we like, oh my God, I love it first sniff. That doesn't happen all the time. So risk-free policy, I love it, it works for me. So anywho, that's the quick spiel on them. Now let's get into what y'all care about, which is the new fragrances. So the first one that I chose to get, this is there. So unboxing here, it always comes with a box, has the fragrance in it, nestled in, and it has iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. They're straight to the point. And you also get a nice scent note card, which I will get into as well, that has more information about your scent that you selected online. And this is the Floral Berries scent. Yes. And they also have the scent notes on the bottles, which I do like, just in case you need to do a quick reference, especially as for someone like me that does reviews and that's a YouTuber. I like to be able to reference my notes. So, all right. Let's get into the official notes on this fragrance. This one is top notes, peony, red apple, berries. Middle notes are rose, carnation, jasmine, and the base notes are suede, accord, and musk. Nice. So this one is going to be very springy based on the note description. And by the way, the inspired by fragrance is Jo Malone, Peony and Blush Suede Cologne. I did look that one up, and it's a very, very popular scent. So I totally understand why Dossier decided to release the floral berries. Yeah, I get it. Concentration is 18%. So you all, this is EDP concentration, so eau de parfum, which eau de parfum is my favorite. Very happy about that. And then they have more about their mission and how they work, just the things I just went over for you at the beginning of the video. So now let's do what we came to do, which is spray this here scent. Let's enjoy the magic here. And the atomizers are very nice. As you will see, it's a very, very fine mist. Very, very nice. And these fragrances are so affordable, by the way. The prices are normally like from $29 to like $59. And they have different promotions going on. So definitely check that out. I do have a code with a link in the description box, so definitely check that out. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is strong. Oh, this is straight up peony. This is straight up peony. It makes sense. Yeah. It makes total sense that the peony is the first note, because honey, that is what you smell. If you are a peony lover, which I am, I love that flower. It's one of my absolute favorite flowers to have in an arrangement. You're gonna love this. I get the rose in here. And then the musk and the suede accord are what's going to help it stick to the skin. I totally see that. Yeah, this is strong. This is actually one of the strongest Dossier fragrances I've ever had. And y'all know I've had like, I want to say possibly even 12 at this point. So I can say that in good faith. Yeah, floral berries is bomb. Now, technically right now, this is out of season for right now. But for spring, this scent is good. I honestly will go ahead and get this one while it's technically out of season, while it's new, because once people get hip to this one, it's going to sell out. And if you all are familiar with Dossier, the scents sell out. Like even our scent of the day, we talked about the Ambery Saffron. This one always sells out. This is one of those, when you see it come back in stock, you got to go ahead and buy it because it's extremely popular. And I foresee that happening with the floral berries as we get close to spring. I would see it selling out possibly by February, truthfully. Ooh, that's good. That's good. And again, that is the Floral Berries, inspired by Joe Malone's Peony and Blush Suede. Now, this is the one I had to have if I didn't get any of the other new scents they have recently released, y'all. I had to get my hands on this one. And once y'all know what it is, you will understand too. So, the next scent we're going to talk about, everyone. This one is the Florental Marshmallow. Yes, Florental Marshmallow. Check that out. Has a nice little peachy tinge to the juice, which I think is cute. And of course, we have our scent note card. And honey, the devil is in the details, because you'll understand once I read these notes. So you all, the notes for Florental Marshmallow are marshmallow, neroli, bergamot. Middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, orris, and then base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. This is going to be a very gourmand scent. Let me tell you that right now. Okay, hello, marshmallow is in the name. And this scent is inspired by, this is by Kilian, Love Don't Be Shy Eau de Parfum. That is this inspired fragrance. And if you know, that scent is extremely popular, and it's because it was rumored that once upon a time that was Rihanna's signature scent. Yes, the queen, the almighty, yes, Rihanna. So yes, that's why when I saw they made this scent, I was like, oh my goodness, I gotta get my hands on it. I gotta get my nose on it. The concentration is 18%. Correct, it is an EDP concentration, so I'm excited about this one. It has the note of marshmallow in it. I mean, y'all, you don't get perfumes with the note of marshmallow in there. And I'm thinking this is warm and cozy season. It's the holiday season. So I can imagine it's just smelling all types of snuggly. So yeah, let's get into it. I love how these things spray. I really do. And by the way, too, they have magnetic tops, which I do like. Ooh. Oh, this is so gourmand, y'all. It's so gourmand. Oh, I love this scent so much. I really do. Okay, I know I said the floral berries was dope, okay, but this one right here, actually, y'all, I think this one might be my favorite right now because it's so gourmandy and foodie, and it's perfect for cuddling season right now. Oh, this is strong too. Yeah, I'm serious. Dossier beefed up the concentration and the strength of these fragrances in these new batches. Like, honey, I'm here for it. You definitely immediately get that marshmallow out the gate. That's the first note you smell. And then I smell that orange blossom right after it. Let me see. Okay, yeah, the orange blossom is considered a mid note. That vanilla is at the base. Y'all, this is divine. And let me tell you too, I recently like blind tested this one on Head Elf as well, and you all, it passed his test. He loves this one. Florental Marshmallow is Bae approved. Yeah, it's so warm and fluffy. It's like an orange neroli cloud vanilla. It's so foodie and good. I really like this one. I really like this one because I took a chance like trying it out because I'm like, oh, that's not normally my scent profile, but it's new and I want to try it. But oh my goodness, Dossier, this one is a hit. Ladies, if you want to smell like a snack, you need to get your hands on the Florental Marshmallow. This one is going to sell out. The girls don't necessarily know it's out yet, really, but it's out. It's available on the website. But honey, oh, this one is another one. Going back to it's going to sell out. This will be sold out by Valentine's Day, if not before then. Florental Marshmallow is a definite yes. So you all, I would totally have to say, yeah, these new releases from Dossier are A pluses, complete A pluses. I've worn them on the skin. I enjoy them. They tend to give me about roughly a 3 to 4 hour wear, which is on par for a standard Dossier fragrance wear. And I do like them because they help me get the feel of the fragrance. And again, they're just good products. Who do I think this is for? I think Dossier fragrances are amazing for people that are looking to try a whole bunch of scents at one time, but you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money. I mean, hello, I'm not made of money. I'm not trying to spend $100 plus all the time if I want to do a haul on fragrances. Whereas with Dossier, you can, because again, they have so many different promotions, especially this time of year. Check the website. They always have some great things coming on. And too, remember you all, they are dropping new scents, so you don't want to miss these because they're good. They're really good. I'm really vibing with this. I'm having a Dossier moment right now. Yeah, this Florental Marshmallow has a hold on me. But anywho, let me know what you think. Have you recently picked out any Dossier scents? I know some of you all have shared it with me, but for those that haven't, definitely leave it in the comments below. Again, I do have a code and a link to help you save even more money on your purchases for Dossier. They're all in the description box, so definitely check that out. But yeah, I'm digging these new releases. These are wins. So until next time, I will catch you on the next video. Bye, elves.